Welcome to Flight Test Risk Management, a course presented by Daedalus Aerospace. Humans are not naturally skilled at estimating risk, a fact that keeps casinos open and in business around the world. But aerospace development is not a matter of chance or luck. As we explore the unknown during development of new aerospace prototypes, we intuitively know that flight test has some unique and greater risks than normal flight operations. What does it even mean to be safe? Is it a status or a process? Flight test risk management is different from other tools such as failure mode effects analysis or functional hazard analysis. Flight test risk management is focused on test execution. Developing aerospace vehicles and systems is generally quite complicated and complex. When everything works right, the results are breathtaking, like the successful launch in 2007 of Discovery on STS-120. However, although these systems are designed with the most sophisticated tools available, they are still designed by humans, built by humans, programmed by humans, and operated by humans. Take, for example, this stall test point during certification of the Boeing 717. Aerospace professionals know that flight test is both necessary and also carries risk, because all those design processes, with potential errors along the way, sometimes result in unexpected outcomes. There was a sign that used to hang in the control rooms at NASA Dryden, now NASA Armstrong Flight Research Center, during the X-31 program. It read, "Prepare for the unexpected and expect to be unprepared." How should we plan for potential hazards in flight test? Can we even account for completely unforeseen events? The tools and processes trained in this course are the world-class methods to address those questions, built on the foundation of lessons learned by leading flight test centers, including NASA, the U.S. Air Force, the U.S. Navy, and the FAA. Risk management during flight test activities is not just a wise thing to do, it may be legally required. In the United States, the Aircraft Certification, Safety, and Accountability Act of 2020 directed U.S. aircraft and aerospace industry manufacturers to adopt safety management systems. And flight test risk management is a key component of safety risk management within a safety management system. Using the tools taught in this flight test risk management course will help you identify focus areas, create meaningful mitigations, and define off-ramps if test results begin to deviate from expectations. Risk management is not just limited to pre-flight planning or even test conduct during execution, but also helps us learn from our successes or near misses to prevent future failures.